Let's make some afternoon okra soup. My chicken was on fire now. This is okra 10 cedis. Garden eggs 5 cedis. I'll wash it thoroughly. Wash it sharp sharp. I was very hungry. So let me cut it with my hand. This one I don't need any chopping board. Yeah. I was just cutting it sharp 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 sharp. Because I want it fast. Chop chop chop. Okra they chop. This hand is very hard, so the knife cannot cut it. Chop the okra. Ah, finally. Chopped okra and garden eggs. Mix them together. Added some salt to give it a nice flavor. Taste. Now the chicken is on fire. Look at the leg. Yeah, see somebody's leg. Added some small baking soda to make it slimy. Because some of the okras were, grown. So added some small baking soda to make it slimy and soft. Here you go. Now the garlic, onion, pepper. They are ready. I added some small chopped onions to make it smell nice and gives it a flavor. So I used my hand to grind the chopped onion, pepper, garlic. Grind it. It's ready already. Okay, let's check up on the red oil is on fire already. Okay. Because it wasn't enough, I have to add another one to it to make it enough. Sharp, 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 sharp. Pour my onions inside. It's giving the vibe. If your oil and onion doesn't reach, then you are not cooking. Added some small curry powder to make it smell. This is a nice smell. Fry the oil with onion and curry powder. Curry powder. Now my grounded ingredients. I didn't blend it. It was grounded by my hand, my strength. So it's inside already. Yeah, small amanin sawa, pounded amanin sawa, Harris, pounded Harris. To give it a nice taste. Gives it a nice taste. Nice taste. Yeah. Shrimp kunyano. This one is oyster. Added small oyster to it. Those who know will know. Oyster is in your okra stew. It's making. Ooh. You start stir it. Covered it for some time for it to simmer very well. Simmer very well. Now my steamed chicken is inside. Added my steamed chicken. Steamed chicken. Akokonam. Steamed chicken. It's inside already. Okay. Cover it for some time. Yo. Cover it for some time. For it to smell very well. That should go very well. So this is the outcome. Stir. Akokonam. Steamed chicken. It's inside already. Okay. Cover it for some time. Yo. Cover it for some time. For it to smell very well. That should go very well. So this is the outcome. Stir. Okay. Oh, the aroma no aji baby. Now added my boiled okra. Now the soup is ready. No. I've been so cold. You are all invited. I've even finished eating it long time ago. Don't worry. Next time I will invite you before eating. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel, JulietNorvi AJ for you. See you in my next video. Bye.